So, hi, my name is Andy Francis, Technology Director of Automation at GKN Aerospace. Today we have won the award of Project of the Year at the ATI Conference 2025. We're hugely privileged and honoured to have received this recognition of this award. It means a huge amount to us to have received this from the ATI and that we can share that with the partners on the programme also. University of Bath, University of Nottingham and also Exicon. So ELCAT stands for Enhanced Low-Cost Automation Technologies. It's all about the building blocks for creating scalable automation solutions for delivering high-quality products at rate. This programme has spearheaded GKN's automation capabilities, the leading edge, as well as all of the innovative technology that we developed on the programme. Another key factor was building the next generation of automation engineers. So yeah, finally, I just want to say a huge thank you to the ATI for such an incredible conference, a great event, and for giving us this award and this recognition. It means a massive amount to GKN Aerospace.